what is the index in a string? What do you understand by index in a string? Okay, suppose I have a string uh, okay. So this is my string basically. Okay, and this string will have a variable name. Okay. So let's say st1 is the variable name. st1 is equal to this particular string. So when we assign the value, we actually assign it like st1 equals welcome, like this. Okay. Now this assignment actually happens in this way, like a grid. Okay, and each of the grid inside this string has an address. Okay, think of it as an address, and that address is actually your index. Okay, so this w will have index 0, e will have index 1, l will have index 2, c will have index 3, o will have index 4, m will have index 5, finally e will have index 6. Okay, so this much is clear, right?
Yes.
So if I say st1 and 5, I should get m.
M.
Okay. Now we talked about negative indexes also. So negative indexing starts from the backwards. Okay. So the last element always has the index -1. Second last will have -2, and so on. Okay. So negative indexes are used when you want to access the elements or the characters of a string backwards. Okay. Now we talked about something called length keyword or len keyword. Okay. The len keyword, what does that return? What does it give you? I say len st1. What should be the output?
6.
7.
Okay. So,
okay. It will return the number of characters there are in the string. Okay. This keyword gives you the length of the string, and the length means the number of characters that you have in the string. Okay. Now you also know if I subtract 1 from this, I will get the last index, right?
yes.
If I subtract 1 from length of the string, I will get 6, right? And that is actually your last index in the string. That way, your -1 can also be used. So if I say st1 and length st1 -1, this will be the last character. Okay. And same goes with the -1. Okay. So that is about indexing in the string data type. Any questions, doubts? Let me know.
No, sir.
Clear? Okay. So now the next thing that I wanted to talk about today is, it won't take much time. Don't worry. So this is called slicing. Okay, and slicing is again very, very, very important. It is completely dependent on the indexes. Okay, so if you are aware of the indexes, if you have good command over the indexes, the slicing will be easier. Okay, so what is slicing? Suppose I have this print st1 is there. We have this entire string, and we talked about something called, if I want to print this first character and last character together, so what can we do? st1
History of 1 plus
0
yeah
plus
0
st1
1
minus 1. Okay, but if I want just COME from here, if I want come from the welcome, then what I'll have to do? I'll have to start at is this 3,
3
then
plus
st1 4 plus st1 5 plus st1 6, right? Then I get the come, right?
right.
Now, this is a very valid way, but it would be very difficult. Suppose I want a little longer string. Okay, so now if I really want to do this something, if I want to extract something from any given string, then I can use slicing. Okay, so slicing is creating a substring from your existing string. Okay, slicing is used to generate a substring from a given string. Now, how does that work? I want to print the same COME. Okay, so I will say st1 square brackets. Okay, so indexes, wherever you are going to use index, you will have to use square brackets. st1, then you provide a starting index. Okay, so where from which index you want to start? So I want to start at 3, right?
Yeah.
So I will say 3. Then, okay, I'll not do entire come. I'll just take COM. I'll tell you what is the reason behind that. Okay, so I'll just take com. Okay, so st1 3 will give you C. I want to start at C. Then put a colon. Then what is the last index you want? Okay, so M is the last that I want, right? That is 5, correct?
Yeah.
So whichever index you want in your substring, take that 5 and add 1 to this. So that means 6. Okay. This will give you COM. Okay. So what happens here? It starts at 3. It starts here at 3, C, goes to 4 and 5, and stops before 6. Okay, it starts at 3 and stops before this index. Okay, so this is your syntax. Okay, start index colon end index plus 1. Okay, this is how you are going to use it. So let's take some bigger string, say, how are you doing? Okay, so now from this, if I need ARE, R, what should I write?
Zero, four,
4 colon
colon, 7.
7. Okay, so you're starting at A and you're going till 6. So whatever index you provide here, that will not be part of your result. That will not be part of your resultant substring. Okay, that will be excluded. That index will be excluded. This is slightly confusing, but with practice and with, if you remember this part, that ending index should be one higher than that you want. Okay, then it will be easy. And one simple trick I will tell you. Suppose I want to say I want first 4 characters of st2. First 4 characters of st2.
4, 0 is to 4.
0 and
Is to 4.
so how many characters
4.
I want? 4, right? So
Yeah.
add the number of characters to your start string. I want 4 characters, add 4 to 0, you get 4, right?
Only 3 characters.
No, there are 4 characters. There's a space also.
Okay.
Okay. So just add the number of characters that you need to your starting index. And you'll get your second index here where you want to end. Okay. Just take this example again. Maybe something different. Okay. So I say st2. I want to start at index 4, or maybe I want to start at index 5 and need 5 characters.
So 10.
So 10 will be my ending index. I will add 5 to its start index 5. And that there I got 5 characters here, including a space.
Okay.
Okay. So this is a short trick where add the number of characters you need in your substring to your starting index, calculate the end index. Right? This is easier way, right?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now, if I want to start from the first character of the string, okay. Suppose here we printed how and 4 characters. So we are starting at the very beginning of the string, right? There, I don't even need to provide the starting index. This will come with practice, okay? So generally you can start with 0, but if you are starting at 0, you don't need to provide that string. You can simply put a colon. So first index or starting index we have not provided. So it is understood that you are starting at the 0th index. Okay. And now if I say 4, I will get first 4 characters from the string. Okay. So if you are starting at the very beginning, then you don't need to provide the starting index. So let's make a comment here. If you are using 0 as your start index, then leave the start index blank in slicing. Okay, easy, right?
Yes.
Okay. Similarly, if you want to go till the last or go till the end of the string, then what should you do? And this is the reason I did not take come from the welcome. So if I want to start, suppose at index 3 and want to print come, C-O-M-E.
Minus 1.
-1?
Yeah.
Okay. See what will happen. So -1 is E, right?
Yeah.
And if you are using -1 here, it will stop before that.
Okay.
Okay. And that is why I did not take that come example here.
Okay.
Okay. So if you want to go till the end of the string, then need to leave the end index blank. Just leave it blank, no problems. This means you're going till the end of the string. Okay.
Okay.
If you want last character to be part of your substring, then end index blank slicing. Okay. I don't think there are any doubts till now.
No, sir.
Okay, good. Now I can do everything here same using the negative indexes also. So just try to guess. I need last 4 characters. What should I do? From ST2, I need last 4 characters.
-3.
-3. Okay.
Semicolon display blank.
Okay. So this will give you last 3 characters. You need to start at -4. Okay. EAY question mark. This is your last 4 characters. Now I can use negative indexes and positive indexes both together. Okay, like we have done here already, right? So negative indexes can also be slicing. Like if I want, I can start at -4 and I can end at -1. That means last 3 characters, not last 3 characters, leaving out the last character, and then 3 characters will be part of this substring. Okay, I got the day there. This question mark will not be part because this is -1 and we are stopping before that. Okay, now that number of characters, if you want to add number of characters thing, that works with the negative indexes also. So from -4, I needed 3 characters. So I will add -4 plus 3. I'll get the end index as -1. Okay. So good as of now.
Yeah.
Fine. So now there is something extra in slicing. There is another parameter, or you can say another type of index that you can provide. So there is a jump value in slicing to skip characters from the original string. Okay, so index would be something like your string square bracket start index colon end index. I will still write +1 so that you don't get confused. Okay, and again another colon and jump value. So what is this jump value? I say print st2. I'm starting at the very beginning, and if I don't provide an end index, that means what will this print actually?
Complete statement.
Sorry,
Complete string it will take, right?
right? It will take the entire string. I'm not providing end string. I'm not providing any start index. That means I'm covering entire thing. Okay. Now st2, I don't provide any start index. I don't provide any end index, and I put another colon to provide a jump value. What will this be?
So it will remove the third character.
No, no. So again, take that same example. I have this word welcome. Okay. So when I say jump, this slice will actually jump. So I'm starting here, right? This is my starting position. From here, I will jump on the second character. So it will jump here. Then 2 again. So it will jump here. Then it again here. So on those characters where it is jumping on, those will be part of my output. Okay. So just give a minute. Yeah. So here, when I print this welcome and I don't give any jump character, it will jump like this on every character. When I say this jump value 2, it will skip on every alternate character like this. Okay. And that is what it is doing for how are you doing today. So it starts at H, then goes to W, then goes to A, then goes to E, then goes to Y, then goes to U, then goes to D, then I again, G again, T, D, Y. That becomes your substring. Okay. So this jump value tells you how many characters will it jump. By default, it jumps one character, means it starts at 1, goes to 2, then 3.